In Excel, you can create a dropdown that also doubles as a search bar that will let you easily filter through data, and you can make this in a few simple steps. So for this example, we have a table that has name, department, and email columns, and we'll have a search by value. So step one, we'll be going into the data tab and click data validation. And then in the settings, we'll allow a value from a list, and that source will be these column names. We'll click OK, and then this will let us select from any of these columns. So step two will be when we select a search by value, so one of these column names, it also populates in the different options that are available for each of those columns. So we can do a simple formula just over to the right here, where we will do equals ifs, and then the logical test will be testing that each of these values equals what we're searching by. So if that's true, then we'll do a unique formula for all of these values. And we're just going to do this for these other columns as well. So as we change the different search by name to department, it changes what populates in these cells. So now that we know that these populate right here, for these lookup values, we can also do data validation once again, and we'll also allow from a list, and that list will be this source right here. So this will be a changing source that as we have names selected, it allows the names to be included, and when we change it to, let's say, department, it will now only have the department names. So this will dynamically change dependent on our search by value. And now we'll just create a function that will filter this initial table based off our criteria. So we'll do this by typing equals ifs, and then we'll check each of these headers to see if they equal the search by value. Then we'll add a comma, and we'll be returning a filter function. So we'll include this whole array for the array, and then in the include argument, we'll select this whole column where it equals the lookup value. So when we change this search by to name and select a valid name, it will filter by that. So now we can just add on to this function by changing the ifs to include the department equal to the search by value, then do another filter where we're grabbing the whole array and including this as well by the lookup value, and then we'll do this one more time for the email. So now as we change this from name to department and then enter a valid department, it will filter through these as well. This will work for email. So you can simplify this search as well as start typing, and it will populate from the drop-down list.